ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক সমস্ত স্টুডেন্টস অ্যান্ড ফ্রেন্ডস স্টাডি সার্কেলে সবাইকে ওয়েলকাম ওয়ান্স অ্যাগেন। আমি সুদীপ্ত স্যার। নার্ভাস সিস্টেম ইয়েস্টারডে একটা ভিডিও পাবলিশ হয়েছিল, যাতে কিছুটা আমি বলেছিলাম যে পার্টলি করা হয়েছে, তারপরে আরেকটু ডিসকাস করব। সো টুডে উইল ডিসকাস অন নার্ভস। মানে আমরা যেটা ডিসকাস করেছিলাম কিছুটা নার্ভসটা আমরা বাদ চলে গেছিলো। সো নাও উই শুড ডিসকাস অ্যাবাউট দ্য নার্ভস। নাও নার্ভস আর থ্রেড লাইক স্ট্রাকচার্স। আমি ভিডিও সময় কম করার জন্য লিখে নিয়েছি আগেই। Nerves are thread-like structures that transmit messages between the brain and the body. So this is a type of conducting transmission. যে কন্ডাক্টিং ওয়্যারসের মধ্যে মানে আমাদের বডির ডিফারেন্ট মেসেজেস হাউ দে কন্ডাক্ট means from one part of the body to another. So nerves are the conducting wires, you can say. Nerves are thread-like structures that transmit messages between the brain and the body. You can write it down if you want. Now nerves are made up of many nerve cells or neurons. So nerve cell is also called neuron. So এটা আমরা পরে details of the neuron আমরা আবার ডিসকাশন করব। It's a vast chapter. We need many more videos for this chapter to discuss. Now types of nerves. So there are three types of nerves basically. First is sensory nerves. What is the function? Transmit messages from different parts of the body to the brain or to the spinal cord. So these are sensory nerves, which is the function given. Now next is motor nerves, which transmit messages from the brain and spinal cord to the muscles or glands. This is the next point. Now thirdly, it is mixed nerve. Now transmit messages both ways, means mixed nerves function to and fro movement from brain and spinal cord and muscles. That means they transmit messages from brain to the brain spinal cord to the muscles, and in turn muscles also send messages to the brain spinal cord. So these are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Now I should discuss more about the reflex action. Now what is the reflex action actually? Now it is an involuntary action. Reflex action is an involuntary action and sudden response to a stimulus. So you can write it down. It's an involuntary action. Involuntary action and sudden response to stimulus. So this is a reflex action. These actions are not controlled by the brain. These actions are controlled by the spinal cord. These reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord. So this reflex action, it's an involuntary action and sudden response to stimulus. Suppose a person wipes their hands in front of your eyes, then you blink your eyes. So this is a reflex action. You cannot control it. It's an involuntary action and sudden response. If you touch a hot body, you suddenly drop it. This is because the sudden response to stimulus. These actions are controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, so we have discussed a little bit of nerves, and I hope the video will be prosperous and fruitful to you. So please subscribe the channel and push on the bell button. Okay, so this much I have to say for today. We'll look forward for the upcoming video. on nerves will detailed discussion will be there. Thank you.